The cooking oil ATM, also known as salad oil, vegetable oil vending machine, is most definitely one of the new inventions in Kenya that is guaranteed to change your fortunes within no time. With the aid of the cooking oil ATM, customers can get access to pints from as low as 10 shillings. All you need to do is insert a request for a liter and it will dispense pints at minimal costs. This means that you save yourself both time and cash, since there are lesser trips to shops due to this convenience offered by Herritech Ventures. Customized options available based on your set budget. Prices start at 35,000 Kenyan shillings for a full stainless steel table top vending machine. Currently, where everybody tends to be competitive, it is vital that one has learned how to adapt in order to thrive. This is why Herritech Ventures has devised a cooking oil ATM that eliminates the need to travel or go shopping all the time. Now, even those who are on an extremely tight budget can get access to vegetable oil based on their set budget. Call 0717-263-774 for your customized cooking oil vending machine.